I am a mammal. Mammals mate with warmth. Birds and reptiles mate with safety. The more torture you have or endure, the more soulmates you have. This is because birds/reptiles only have one soulmate. Bugs and fish and crustacean and such have tens of thousands of soulmates. And trees have soulmates with literally all of the trees. There are 4 types of species per dimension. This is the 5th dimension because we can make and change plans at any given time. The planets, the stars, the asteroids, and the black holes are the 6th dimension because they are responsible for the Mandela effect. If you didn't know, you always eat 2 species above you. A.K.A. photosynthesis.